Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on mobile with a Bluetooth keyboard. First, let's prepare your devices for a smooth connection. Make sure both your mobile device and Bluetooth keyboard have sufficient power. Then, enable Bluetooth on your phone or tablet and keep your keyboard nearby. This initial setup ensures a stable and quick pairing process for an enhanced gaming experience. Now, let's connect your keyboard. Put your Bluetooth keyboard into pairing mode. This usually involves holding a specific button or combination of buttons. Next, navigate to your mobile device's Bluetooth settings. You should see your keyboard appear in the list of discoverable devices. Tap on its name to establish the connection, and you'll be ready for the next step. Once connected, open the Roblox app and join your favorite game. Test the basic movement keys, such as W, A, S, and D, to see if they respond. For more advanced controls or if certain keys don't work, you might need to explore your device's accessibility settings. Some mobile operating systems offer options to customize key inputs for a more tailored gaming experience. To truly enhance your mobile Roblox experience, consider a few extra tips. A stable phone or tablet stand can greatly improve comfort during extended play sessions. Remember that keyboard support can vary between different Roblox games and mobile devices. For the most comprehensive control, especially on Android, exploring third-party key mapping applications can unlock a wider range of customizable actions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.